Kaboom! Black Liberty wanted them. Killa Fonz wanted! It's well on.
When it comes to champion sound called original Black Liberty, with a man called Killa Fonz.
Yeah, and I'm for no a Black Liberty, you know.
Yes, everyone, we're down here in Portmore, seeing at the Hellshire Beach, living it up, what we can see. And right now, I have Indica with me. Come in, Indica, say something to the people.
Say the thing better. You know, say the Rasta warrior at the control. And we just done shoot big video, heading to the top. You see me, I say, I ever get a youth dream. You see it. Portmore, De La Vega, Glendale, Vega, the whole Jamaica, say, house and land over. Out and about.
Yes, this one coming up on the Reggae Mix Volume 1 scene. And I want you to look out for it. It's a mix CD thing, BareFruits record, Black Liberty record, and KnoEffort production. Scene, that's how we do it, and we're down here, we are nice. As usual, keep up in the car. My brother, every time.
Oh, yo.
Yes, yes.
Oh. That's the Almighty. Remember that.
Yes, Reading St. Andrew, the lookout, and that's over there right now, saying, overlooking the beautiful Kingston city. You can see everything. Take a good look. Yeah, and I want you to know, say it's BareFruits, Black Liberty, and KnoEffort. Saying the Brush It Off Rhythm coming soon with my featuring man called Bobby Crystal. Say something to them, Bobby.
Yeah, man. I think the thing nice. The thing nice. When you see me I do it like this, the thing nice. It's up. Well, up. Energy. See?
So you go.
Yeah, man. The thing called Friends. This one is called Friends. We are like fake people there.
Yeah, look out for it.
So. And also the good people there. We don't know.
Yeah.
See if you're real or real.
I have to have good friends.
Shot. Yeah, man.
Bobby Crystal, ladies and gentlemen, saying enough respect with down here in Jamaica. One love.
And the thing is good.
Yeah.
Energy up. Bless.
Yeah, man, more you know, say the natural scene. One of the biggest artists that will come out of Jamaica presently and shortly. So keep an eye out and keep it peeled. Saying we're down a Black River and everything nice, man, tell them. Where are some brother? Say something.
Man, everything up, man. I love you turn out from the people, the man. I say, yeah, me no man, a oneness and the natural out here to the world.
The natural. Yeah, man, listen out, saying big up, boom, KnoEffort, so stay. Yes, everyone, we're down here in Spanish Town, De La Vega city scene. And right here, we have Snatch a Lion scene that's featured on the Brush It Off Rhythm also. Say something to them, Snatcher.
Big up on yourself. I fear them not. Me come for defend my spot. The youth them a ask me fi put on a pot. Or the hell me fi back from that. Tell me, Snatcher there represent, say Killa Fonz and the crew, big up on yourself every time. More love Jamaica, more life. You see me I say Rastafari, I say that. One love.
Yes, that's Snatch a Lion. You know, you have KnoEffort video production at the BareFruits studio right down here in Spanish Town, like I said. And I want you to know you have to listen out for this tune right here. So this one is the boom blast. Guaranteed winner, saying Snatch a Lion and them not fear.
Straight out of Jamaica, De La Vega city.
So we do.
Boom, boom, boom.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we're here with Ras Bling and the crew. This is a KnoEffort video production, Black Liberty, BareFruits record scene. And we're down here in St. Elizabeth, saying, we're down in Jamaica, sunny Jamaica, beautiful Jamaica, saying, and we have him doing this music video right now. And I want to know, so you got to look out for this guy right here, Ras Bling. Remember me tell you that, saying, and everything, Chris, one love every time, and we're on shoot right now.
Well, I say yo, Black Liberty, I say yo, no effort, I wrestling representing, you know. I say you know a thing going, we set up like 11, you know, cause you know say Black effort no bend like 7, you know. How are them depend? We say one up, big up whole Bubble Side family, wrestling, I'm out. Bang boom.
This is De La Vega City, the famous De La Vega City. You hear about Jamaican history, you know Jamaican history? This is De La Vega.
Spanish Town.
Spanish Town. This is where the studios are. This is where we're going to make it happen. This is where all the hits.
All the hits there.
We're on the radio in Jamaica. Come out of the studio.
Dirtsman.
Big artists.
So I say something, Letitia, then?
Yes, as you already told me, this is the great Spanish town. Engman town, them call it Badman Place. Yeah, Badman Place, Badman City. Ask Chronix about it.
Every day, when the music hits you, you can't control what you are feeling.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to know this. This is the famous Natija stream, world renowned. Remember the name. Saying coming live on the rec, on your DVJ, on your CD, and on all radios in the United States of America. Look out for Natija stream, #1 female artist in the whole of Jamaica right now in De La Vega City with their Kingston, Jamaica. Enough respect. Big up. Yes, we're over here in Barbican with Anarchy Active and the Massive and the family. Saying, yeah man, big up.
Uptown.
And I want you to know, so there are big tune coming January around them time there, saying the Brush It Off Rhythm. Say something to them, Anarchy.
And you know, the hear from your nose, say you're straight. You don't know Anarchy keeping it at and scotchy. Big up the whole stream team, scheme team.
Yeah man, it's a Black Liberty Records, KnoEffort and BareFruits Records production.
BareFruits,
saying, coming at you live. Saying, soon.
Mother ass kick out, we out to know a mad move.
Yes.
Active,
yes it.
Active boss you represent for a power cut. This is what I say. Power for a nigga if I know how to work with the system.
Yes it.
Straight active, all our girl them attractive, you see me? Up and gunning.
Anarchy active, look out for Anarchy 2016.
Bless up everyone over here at Mona Commons with Pretty Show, up and coming artists, saying I want to look out for you. #1 on the charts, it's a BareFruits, KnoEffort thing, saying Pretty Show, you have something you want to say to the people?
Yeah man, you don't know, say Mona Commons with there, see me, right in front of you, see, you don't know, up. Yeah, I'm running from country, yes, over there, you see it? Yeah, you see me? Matthew, say something.
You don't know the upcoming artist, Pretty Shoes, all the talent and them are there and they get all the same way, Pretty Shoes. And the man right now, him and the man to dance, him and run things.
Yes, everyone, Pretty Shows, live on the record, don't know the Mona Commons, everything up, bless up, we in there with me, you know what I mean, BareFruits Records. Big up.
There some Mona Commons, put the team with Pretty Shoes.
Yes. For real.
Respect everybody in the Mona Commons.
Definitely, for everyone, yeah man.
Yeah man, you don't know say I Carolina represent from my brethren in a Pretty Show. You see me video shoot slap boy. I swear that song I come run the place. You see me I say, yeah man, we have to put it out there, see there, we out there so.
That's it. We're down here in Christian Pen with a man called Interest saying, you know and you know he's featured on the Brush It Off Rhythm. Coming up shortly, BareFruits, Black Liberty, you know effort. Interest, you have something you want to tell the people?
Yeah man, up top something man, you see me no banana chips and rough top something. Up it, body something, up it. And from I say into the chest, you know, it's a rich move, not a snitch move. You be rich in something and stitch shoes. If a girl do I could say which move.
Yeah man, and I'm on interest, you know what I mean? And I hope you get it live and direct. Saying Christian Pen, so we do. Respect.
Dusty.
Yeah, when I'm trauma, this I represent for the interest. You know? I don't know the thing said. Up top, no banana chips and no what?
No rough top.
You know we're turning the street like a what? Alright. Yeah, when I want to trauma this from the flyover gully. Straight out of Christian Pen. Hamilton Garden, Caymanas Garden, Scheme Team. Teamwork make a dream, make you hear that?
Right.
Unity and strength, see it right that's happening in front of you.
Right.
And a competition, you hear that? Get that in on the head. Up top on a trauma this, you hear that?
You see me? Like that, get a song and vice that.
Alright.
Toss up word.
One squad.
You get me? Bomb squad.
Up
Rich
top.
gang, not a snitch gang.
YMT.
Up, so go.
All the works, man, you hear that? Style them, we know while them, you know.
Right.
A black pan black, me say, no.
Alright.
Yes, but they are some Gregor Park, man, the righteous man, the show. Brush It Off Rhythm, Roll from Jack. Up, BareFruits, righteous, youth. Take out the 6th song coming out January 2016.
Yeah man, the righteous youth I represent BareFruits Records. And we have to big up J-Pop to the fullest. Up.
No effort, big up no effort, Black Liberty crew. Up. Last day before we forward and go back a foreign. Soon fly out, you don't know. Big up no effort and BareFruits and Black Liberty crew. Up. Every time we shoot 7 videos in less than 1 week, in 6 days. Work. Work hard, play hard. Yeah, look some food right now in my man. Yeah. Pizza. We don't want pizza.
No, man, we don't want a pizza.
Our stomach there mess up.
I got 8 I put on the jump, a rap jump.
Everybody wanna be. Party. Anyway, be something deep like the want some candy. Let her do her thing, she's sassy. Please.
Let me hear about the part that we're saying. Flight. Hear my flight. Can I hear about that verse?
I'll go back like her.
Push it, come, push it out, push it, come, push it out. Oh, where the party at? Everybody wanna be where the party at. Oh.
One day them know so this is a Black Liberty Records, BareFruit, and KnoEffort production scene. Give thanks to everyone that support. One love every time. Wish you all the blessings and love and enough respect. See you.